Come on, we have taken one numerical from NEET and JEE for magnetic effects of electric current, that is the chapter number 4. A long wire carrying a steady current is bent in the form of circular loop. Suppose this is wire given to us of length L. It is turned in the form of circular loop. Find of radius, suppose R. So can I say L becomes 2 pi R for the first case if I make only one turn from this L? Fine. And suppose same wire is made for n turns. Fine. Suppose this L is made n turns here. Fine. And definitely the radius would be smaller compared to one turn. Fine. Suppose you are making n turns, so what would be L? L would be equal to n into 2 pi R. Yes or no? You are making how many turns? N turns. Here how many turns you are making? Making one turn. Fine. This is for one turn, and this is how many turns? N turns. Fine. So ultimately here you will get 2 pi R. L is 2 pi R, and what L you get here? L is equal to n into 2 pi small r. Now if I compare these two, because both are the length L, so can I get one relation between small r and the bigger r? Fine. So what is r upon n is equal to small r. So one relation we get here. Fine. Now we need to find out the magnetic field. Now magnetic formula, you know that it is mu naught I upon 2r, and if it has n turns, we multiplied with n. So for the first case, so I call this as case 1. So case 1, I say B1 is equal to mu naught I. Number of turn is 1, current is same, I is flowing, and this is radius is 2r for the first case. This is a general formula. Fine. Here what is the radius we are taking? Small capital R, so we write it capital R. What is the second case? Second says that mu naught I. Fine. Number of turns. How many number of turns you have made? N turns. So what is the radius? It is 2 into R. Fine. But you know that now if what I can do is I will take the ratio B1 upon B2. So this is mu naught I upon 2R, and what is this? Mu naught I n upon 2 small r. You can see that this 2 goes away, mu naught goes away, I goes away. So what did you get here? Can I say I get r upon nr? Fine. But what is small r? Small r is equal to r upon n. Fine. Into nr. Fine. So rr goes away. So what did you get? B1 upon B2 is equal to 1 upon n square. So can I write B1 n square is equal to B2? Fine. Here B1 is given to us as B. So what is the resultant magnetic field next? That is B2. It is n square B. Now you can see the option here. What is the result? Okay, option number B. I hope you understand this. Right?